Here is the plastic mirror with a lot of details, and I think we can make it looking really nice. For this project, I am using French linen as a base color. The best way to get rid of a plastic look is by creating a lot of texture. Here, I am creating it using a stippling, or you can call it dabbing technique. With a small cheap brush, I am trying to dab the paint into every little detail. Look at the state of my brush now. I tell you, it does take some time. My brush was almost ruined by the time I have finished the second coat. All the products I am using for this project are by Annie Sloan. My next step is to highlight the high points, and I am using the old ochre for this. With a small brush and a little paint on it, I am slightly brushing the high points of the details. Because we have created a texture, the paint hits the high points of it, as you can see here. And the texture is becoming even more pronounced. You can see the difference on the right and the left sides of the mirror. On the left, the dry brushing made the high points standing out. When you dry brush in so many details, just pay attention to highlight all of them. You need very little paint, having your brush almost dry, and use a light hand to dry brush. Next step, I am covering the mirror with a clear wax. You will see why. To get the details standing out even more, I am filling in the low points with a black wax, using a small makeup brush and then wiping off the excesses. Here, I want to show you in a detail how I do the shading with a black wax. Clear wax first to seal the paint. Then a black wax into the low points. Then, I am taking a smaller brush, digging it into the clear wax and smearing the black wax with it. And with lint-free rag, I am clearing the high points. I am not an artist, and I find it fascinating how easy the shades can be created with the waxes. You can see here how the clear wax makes the black one smoother and more transparent. A bit more shading with the black wax. And to bring everything together and make the look more natural and smooth, I am dry brushing the very tips of the details with the white wax. Just to remind you how it was before and how it is now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Looking forward to show you my next project.